Traveling is only as memorable as the people you connect with. And if you want to build a deeper connection with anyone, you're going to need to learn how to communicate with them in their language. So before you head off to your travels, here are 10 common Spanish phrases that you must learn. The first phrase would be ¿Qué pedo? The translation is what's up. Pedo means fart, but people in South America translate this to what's up or what's going on. This is also one of the most common Spanish phrases you will ever hear. We recommend using this expression around close friends you can joke with and not in a formal setting. The second one could be ponte las pilas. The translation would be look alive. If you're an extrovert, this would be a common expression you will be using throughout your travels to wake up your tired friends at 3 a.m. Ponte las pilas can also mean wake up and is most commonly used in Argentina, but it can be found all around in South America and even in Spain. The third one would be tengo hambre. The translation is I'm starving or I'm very hungry. Calling all foodies, if you have ever been so hungry that you could eat a horse, then me pica el bagre is the closest phrase of that expression. Más se perdió en Cuba would be the fourth one. The translation would be more was lost in Cuba. This is not a stab at Cuba, but if something awful has happened to a close friend, you can comfort him by saying más se perdió en Cuba, which means more was lost in Cuba. The fifth one would be tomar el pelo. The translation is to take hold of the hair in English translation. This means to pull one's leg, as in making fun of. When you are joking around with your friends, this is a common phrase that will come up, especially if you don't understand the joke itself. The number 6 would be feliz como una lombriz. The translation would be as happy as a clam. Traveling will be one of the best experiences you will ever have, and no doubt of it that you will be feliz como una lombriz. Instead of the old-fashioned estoy bien, I'm good, you can take it up a notch and share how you truly feel. The number 7 would be ¿Qué es la cosa más loca que hace la gente de aquí? That means, what's the craziest thing people do here? You rebel. If you're feeling wild and looking for an unforgettable night, this is the question you want to be asking the locals, so be careful what you ask for. Number 8 would be Cuéntame más. That translation is tell me more. If you're not exactly sure how to respond to a story or an interesting fact someone is sharing with you, Cuéntame más is a common Spanish phrase that you can use. It will have the other person talking and feeling more connected with you as you express your excitement. Number 9 would be Qué copado. The translation is how cool. Many beginner Spanish speakers want to know how to say the words cool or awesome or rad in Spanish. Well, perhaps not rad in this decade. In Argentina, your best option to exclaim your appreciation of something that it's awesome, it's the term copado. Say it with me, qué copado. Number 10 and the last one would be che. The translation is man. This common word is mostly used in Argentina. In case you haven't noticed, Argentina has a ton of slang words and expressions. Che is a word that you use with close friends, similar to the way you would say, do you know what I mean, man? It can also be used to call someone you know, such as, hey man. If you want to learn more common Spanish phrases and become a fluent speaker for your travels, let us know in the comments below, and we'll be sure to do a second round really soon. Over to you. Which of these common Spanish phrases were your favorites? Where will you be traveling to?